Welcome to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. For you today, a simple recipe. What is it? Chicken dinner in a tray. Now look how beautiful this is. Now I'm not going to cut it up and show you because I need this to go back into the tray because I'm having a party and I don't have enough chicken. So let's go. Now let's start with the marinade. Let's add about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, or really any vinegar that you would like. Let's add, let's say, about a 1/4 cup or a little bit less of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you want, you can use fresh garlic, but I want to make this fast. Let's add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. You can use more if you would like. Let's add about 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. This will make it really good. And now let's bump it up by adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a pinch of salt. And let's mix this up really well, and I shall be back. Here I'm starting with 5 chicken thighs with the skin on. How much you use? Well, that depends how much you need. Here, this fits perfectly in a tray. So now grab yourself a bag, any kind of bag, and I want you to put the chicken pieces inside and pour the marinade inside just like this. Close the bag, mix it up, and let it go minimum 30 minutes. Overnight is even better, but make sure you keep it in the fridge. So either way, here we go. I shall be back. Grab the tray or baking dish, whichever you prefer, and let's start off by putting some olive oil. Now, what do I have here? Maybe 2-3 tablespoons. Let's add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and black pepper, as much as you want. Now 2 large potatoes with the skin on. Yes, I like the skin. If you don't, please remove it. Now let's cut them into wedges or any shape you want. Mix it up really good. Put this in the oven at 350 degrees or 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes, and I shall be back. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Are the potatoes cooked yet? No, they're not, but this is the way I want it. Now, to make your life easier, I advise you to remove the potatoes out of the tray at this point. Now, still using the oil on the bottom, please do not remove that. I want you to take your chicken thighs and put it skin down, just like this. Now let's return the potatoes, just shove them all around the chicken like this, and with the same temperature. And now I want you to let this go for about 50 minutes, and once again I shall be back. So here we go. It's been about 50-55 minutes. And now let's turn the chicken thighs over and bring the skin side up now so we can get the other side done correctly. Now this is an option. What am I adding? Some hot red peppers. You know, if you don't like this, you really don't have to add it. Now let's get a medium red onion and cut it up roughly and just put it in between the chicken, on the sides, wherever you find an opening, just put it in. Grab a few garlic cloves and just smash them with the side of the knife. You don't even have to remove the skin. And now let's just put it all around the chicken pieces, just like this. Now to make this really awesome, let's add some cherry tomatoes. And you know something? Don't take the top off of it. You know, it just gives it some style. Now here's another option. I'm adding some cumin seeds. Why? Because I like cumin seeds. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to let this go for about 20 minutes on the top heater, the top grill. And then I want you to check the inside temperature of the chicken, and it must reach 180 degrees to make sure that it's cooked. And I shall be back. And here it is. Let's bring it in a little closer so we can see better. You can see if you want the tops a little bit browner, just leave it a little bit longer. But keep an eye on the veggies that it doesn't get burned, because there's different textures here going on. So once again, thank you very much for watching my video. Hope to see you on my next video. And once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.